Looks like Santa Claus came. Wow.
All the princess stuff.
Santa Claus came for Lacey.
Look at that. A princess kitchen, a princess vanity.
Wow. Did Santa Claus leave you some stuff?
Yeah.
Do you like it?
Mulan.
Is that a Mulan?
Ariel. This goes to your doll, I think. This is in case you want to dress her. This is, who's this, Lacey?
I know.
Pocahontas.
Wow.
I think it looks like a bride outfit.
Is that a bride outfit?
Look, for your little head.
Oh. Is that, you put makeup on there? That's a kitchen. Is that a kitchen? Wow. Look, Lacey. Santa Claus ate the French toast that we left him. He ate it. See? See? And he drank the milk. There's no milk left. He came.